This is how you can add a video effect onto your video in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18. So you're going to want to go up into the top here and click Video Effects right here. And you can go through any of these. It can be blur, it can be black and white. We're going to be doing black and white for this tutorial. So all you're going to do is you're going to find your effect, you're going to select it, drag it down onto the video, and boom, it's added. Another way you can do this is you can click on the FX tab right here, and it'll bring up this list, and maybe I want to do Gaussian blur. Okay, and now the video is blurred, and then I can adjust it using these settings. You can use this with any effects you find in this tab, literally anything, film effect, very old film. Then I can adjust this, make it look a little more reasonable, just like so. And now it looks like an old film. Perfect. And that is how you can add video effects into your project in Sony Vegas Pro 17 or 18.